Sure, here's a YouTube script for your channel FK iPhone, focused on the 2025 version of the iPhone 11, expanded to around 800 words, Welcome to FK iPhone, where we keep it real about Apple's hits and misses. Today, we're diving into the 2025 version of the iPhone 11. Yes, Apple decided to bring the classic back with a modern twist, and it's got people talking. So is this reboot a genius move or just a recycled idea with a shiny coat? Let's find out. Starting off with the design, the new iPhone 11 keeps that familiar shape but with sleeker edges. Apple has refined the build using recycled aerospace-grade aluminum and ceramic shield glass both front and back. It feels premium and sturdy in the hand but doesn't stray too far from the original look. The size sits right in the sweet spot, not too big, not too small, making it perfect for one-handed use. Bezels are thinner, and the notch is gone, replaced by a center-aligned hole punch for the front camera. It's clean, it's modern, and it definitely brings the old iPhone 11 into the new age. The phone comes in some fresh colors this year. You've got your classics like black and white, but Apple also threw in a matte emerald green and a new burnt orange finish that honestly looks stunning under light. It's clear they're going after style points, and they nailed it this time. Now let's talk display. Apple upgraded it to a Super Retina OLED panel with a smoother refresh rate. Scrolling is buttery, animations look sharp, and the brightness can comfortably handle outdoor use even in harsh sunlight. Watching videos or playing games on this thing is a solid experience. It's not pushing boundaries like the Pro models, but for what it is, it's impressive. Under the hood, Apple dropped in the A17 chip, which is crazy efficient and fast. Day-to-day use is snappy. Apps open instantly, multitasking is smooth, and even heavy games don't stutter. For a device that's technically mid-range, it punches way above its weight in performance. And with iOS fully optimized for this hardware, it's a clean, stable experience all around. Battery life is one of the most surprising upgrades here. Apple packed in a larger cell and combined it with better power management, so you're getting all-day battery without stressing. Light users could even stretch it to a day and a half. Charging speeds got a little bump too, though it's still not competing with Android flagships. You get MagSafe support as expected, but still no USB-C. Yes, we know, typical Apple move. On the camera front, things have improved in ways that matter. The dual camera setup now has larger sensors and improved software processing. Photos come out sharp, colors are more natural, and low light performance is noticeably better. Night mode is more reliable and portraits look more refined. The ultra-wide lens captures more detail than before, and even video recording has a more stable and cinematic feel. The front-facing camera also got an upgrade, making it a solid option for selfies and video calls. Plus, with the new AI-backed features in iOS, you can tweak photos after the fact with more control over lighting, depth, and tone. Now let's talk features. Face ID is faster, more responsive, and works at more angles, even when your phone is laying flat on a table. There's no fingerprint sensor, so if you were hoping for Touch ID's return, sorry to disappoint. But overall, security and unlocking are seamless. Audio quality is solid, with stereo speakers that deliver rich sound for videos, music, and games. It's not mind-blowing, but it definitely gets the job done. Call quality also holds up well, with better background noise suppression thanks to new mic placement and improved software. Now for the software side. iOS runs smooth as expected, and Apple packed in some exclusive tweaks for the 2025 lineup. The new widgets, lock screen customizations, and smarter Siri integration all make for a cleaner and more useful interface. It's still iOS, but with a bit more flexibility than before. And yes, it gets all the updates right out the gate, so you're future-proofed for a good few years. So who is this phone really for? If you're someone who loved the original iPhone 11 but wants something that fits 2025 standards without going pro and spending a fortune, this one's calling your name. It's perfect for users who want reliable performance, a good camera, and modern features without all the bells and whistles. It's a solid daily driver with just enough sparkle to make it feel new. But of course, there are trade-offs. You don't get the triple lens camera setup, no promotion display, and no USB-C, which is starting to feel outdated in a world that's quickly moving forward. Still, if you can live without those extras, the 2025 iPhone 11 is one of the best mid-tier iPhones Apple has made in a while. In conclusion, Apple brought back a fan favorite and gave it the right upgrades. It's fast, sleek, dependable, and surprisingly stylish. It might not be revolutionary, but it doesn't need to be. Sometimes getting the basics really right is all that matters. Thanks for watching FK iPhone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Is the 2025 iPhone 11 a smart move or just Apple being Apple? Catch you in the next one. Let me know if you want a version with more humor, roasting, or tech comparisons.